Today we are celebrating the end of the year for our senior capstone class for Project Lead the Way. We have students here from across the metro area, including Shawnee Mission students who are presenting their projects to the public, to groups of judges, to their fellow students, to parents. A number of people come through. This is all sponsored by the KC STEM Alliance, who've been a great partner with Shawnee Mission over the years.
Last week we were down at the Johnson Space Center in Houston presenting our project to engineers at NASA, and now we are here presenting to the KC STEM Alliance and the Make It Real competition, and hopefully we are going to win an award.
So we're presenting a lunar greenhouse, so we're going to have judges and public members walk around and they're able to vote and score our project. So ours in particular was a greenhouse designed to grow bamboo on the moon to produce natural oxygen rather than NASA having to pay to send up artificial oxygen.
So the project we chose was through NASA Hunch, which prompted us with 3 different projects actually. And so we made a mobility arm, a duster arm, and then suction cup array for a duster robot, and think of like a Roomba but like in space. I mean, it's been great. It was really cool to be able to come here and all the other different competitions that we've gone to. And it's definitely a great experience to have, especially for our Shawnee Mission School.
They get to work with professionals to see what kind of line of work that they do to integrate and build on their projects. They actually mold, 3D model, build, manufacture all of their own prototypes and projects.
It is so important for us to get students acclimated for what they might do for a career. Our students need to be exposed to multiple options. Some of them come into high school thinking, hey, I want to be a doctor. And then they realize they go out into a hospital space and say, ooh, I don't like blood. Or they want to be a vet. And they realize, oh, that's not for me. So we want to make sure that our students have multiple options to explore through their both middle school, elementary, and high school careers.